Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I will tell you how to store same text or same number multiple time in a set state. So I get this problem while I'm working on a project. So I thought this would be helpful for all of you. So so let's get started. So I needed a number to repeat itself in a list, but my initial approach didn't work as expected. So I will show you like this. Like if I click on this one, two, three, and then four, then I click again on one, so it will not work. So what I've done here, I created a set state of number as a text type and make it as a list. So I assume this will work for the first time. However, when I created a workflow around this, it simply didn't work. As you can see here, it didn't work. So to resolve this issue, I tried a different way or different approach. You can say that uh, I go to set state, then I click on this and make it as simple text, not a list. So I get four issues just changing something in workflow. As you can see, just need to make some changes. And same goes for 2, same goes for 3, and same goes for 4. So now I'm refreshing this page. Now you can see I can click many times as possible, not with this. So I need to change the like 4, then 3, then 2, 1, 1, 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. So we have achieved what we are looking for. So this experience taught me the importance of the carefully evaluating configuration and not overcomplicating setups unnecessarily. Sometimes keeping things simple can solve the complex things. So if you are facing similar issue in Bubble.io, I hope this solution helps you to avoid confusion. So you can avoid the confusion I initially had. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.